What's up, YouTube? I know I haven't been posting for a while, just been busy trying to take care of things, adulting and stuff, but just wanted to go over this new bumper I got. It's from KBD, and this is just an unboxing video. This is how it came. Yeah, it was already open like that, but hopefully, it's nothing really major, and I seriously doubt it. These bumpers are probably really strong. I'm unboxing today because I actually got this package a couple days ago, but just been too busy. And today I'm going to hopefully take it for an estimate to get it paint matched. Let's get started. So we're just gonna do it. The box doesn't seem too strong. So yeah, that's how it looks like in there. Looks damaged. Probably some scratches on it, but I don't think it really matters. See this part right here. It's a little bit scuffed up right there. A little scratch mark right there, or a cut right there. Let's take it all out. Alright, I got it out of the box, and when I picked it up, I noticed this bumper is heavier than a stock bumper. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let it sit out in the sun, let it harden. So it looks like this is gonna be required some drilling. Because there is no holes, there's not even hole marks to where you would drill, so that's already an issue. And this bumper is actually really heavy. I didn't realize it was gonna be this heavy. That's fucking a turn off. Just how light I got my car to be. So this bumper is actually like really thick. It's actually thicker than I expected to be. But the reason why I got this, because my lip is coming off, and this is actually all connected as one piece. So that strengthens the rigidity of the front bumper. But it's not bad. The only problem is there is no drill marks. That would be my only issue. There is no place to, there's just no holes, like little indent prints, which really sucks. Which makes the job harder. See, I actually bought a replacement bumper, and I don't remember if I drilled the holes, but I remember it actually there's actually holes where I could drill, so it wasn't that big of an issue. I know it was already easy to line up. But this one looks like it's gonna take a little bit of fabricating to get it on correctly. So if you guys are into cave or upgrading your front bumper and you want to get this one was about $300, and then I waited like 30 days 36 days to get it in the mail or to have it delivered, and it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. It looks good. It just needs paint and it should be good to go. Probably will need some help on drilling. Just a little scuff mark right there. I mean, whoa. Well, I don't really know what that issue is. Like a big ass scuff mark right there. But you know, if it's being painted, I'm sure they'll probably can fix that. It's not that serious. And again, this bumper is heavy. Like, I did not expect it to be that heavy. And it's probably heavy because it's very strong. Strong, one piece. Will definitely protect your car, no doubt. I mean, this thing is very strong. Got some weight on it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated after I take it to the body shop to get it quoted on paint. I'll get back to you guys. Well, have a great day. See you guys later. I'll keep you guys updated on my Celica GTS build. Keep you guys posted. Thank you.